Watch me, watch me. Ha! Hey, gotcha.
This year, I lost my dear husband, Edgar.
Quit telling everyone I'm dead!
Sometimes I can still hear his voice.
I'm getting the next one.
Skoro sam se smrznul, dok sam prelazil preko ogromnog ledenog prelaza. To je bilo onega kaj sam jedva preživel. Jedva!
Sharks have to continue to move forward, or they'll drown.
You calling me a shark? Ferb?
Well, he was all up in my face.
Oh, what happened?
Well, that's it. The big wrap-up, the happy ending, the grand finale. It's over already? Well, that's the thing about endings. They come at the end. Can we watch it again?
But we just saw it. Maybe tomorrow.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You didn't tell me you were watching the movie. I want to watch too.
Ma, we just finished. Show's over.
Well, you're just gonna have to read it. Ma, Uncle Max, we're gonna watch the movie.
Oh, no. Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front. Oh. Watch it. Oh. Ow. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
Timon, I still don't do so well in clouds. You know, it's a great
Excuse me, sir? You folks have to leave.
What? Say that again, if you dare.
You folks have to leave.
Assistant manager isn't all it's cracked up to be. Four years of film school for this?
What do you say? It's happy ending time. Everybody's got a little taste of something, but me, I got nothing. I'm here with nothing. Anybody listening? It's like, what am I? An echo or something? Hello? Hello? Am I talking to what? Hyperspace? Hello, it's me. Nobody listens.
Hi! Movie's over. Go home!